This is it. This comes off. That's where you put your phone. Back here, you got your port. Oh, look at that. That goes up. Interesting. This goes down, locks, and then to make it go up, you go here. And when you do that, it's getting ready to go. All right. It's got a charge on it already. Interesting. You need a block. Got one. This here goes in the back of it. So, it's like that, right there. And we gotta plug this part in. All right, put that in there. All right, ready to go. Now I just need to put a phone on there and take a picture. I don't know where you put the, I mean, if you gotta put something in there, I mean, I would think you need some film, right? Don't know if this has got any film in it. So you may have to buy some, and this is 40 instant photos in Polaroid.
So that's probably expensive like they used to be.
I don't know, probably. This is the booklet. It tells you all about it, how to use it. Quick start guide, that's what we're gonna use because we wanna get it done fast. So we just gotta try it out and see what we think. So you gotta charge the thing first. They want you to download an app. It only works with that type of film. And the best results, remove the screen protector and cover from your smartphone. So they don't want you to have that on there. It shows you the button that I pressed. Remove the cover, blah, 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 blah. And then gently pull down the film door and open it. And then we have to insert a film pack. Then you gotta close the door. Then you gotta go to your app. Then you put your phone on top. And then the Polaroid Lab will detect your phone on the platform, and from the rainbow LED will slowly blink 3 times and then stay on. Okay, and then the picture comes out and then you shake it like a Polaroid. All right, well, I think that's how you do it. So anyway, we got to get some film out of here. All right, so let's see if we can get this open. Man, they pack this stuff, don't they? All right, so I don't know what that is. So here's a pack of films. We only need one though, right? Let's get this one. All right, so I think instant photos. This doesn't really tell me because it says here I'm supposed to use Polaroid 600, but on here I'm not seeing that anywhere. All right, so let's get the film out of here. See how this works. I don't know how you're supposed to open it. I'm just going to open it from the side. See what we got. Oh, well, apparently we got to open this too. Let's do it. Luckily I've got this kind of thing here. All right, so here we are. That's how it is. Now, I'm not quite sure how this works. I think you put it in like this. You slide it in like that. So we'll try it. Okay, we'll see what happens. So this is out of its thing. And I'm imagining that we put it in just like that. And on here, on the bottom here, there's a door that opens up. You see that? But to do it, I'm gonna unplug it here for a second. Unplug. I'm gonna tilt it back, and then I think I pulled the door this way. And I imagine that it goes in like this. I think. Wouldn't you think? That might not be the one that goes in there. Oh, there we go. All right. All right, so this comes out. What do I do? How's this come off? Oh, I guess that's it right there. So now it's beats me, man. I don't know how this works. All right, so I got another phone, and can't see what that is. And we're gonna try to do this photo. And so I think I just put it right over this like this. I think I just press this button. See what happens. It's really something. Okay. I guess do I pop this off? Okay. All right, now we just got to shake it like it says don't shake or bend. All right, I'm just going to lay it there. I'm not going to do anything with it. We'll give it a couple seconds. That's blinking, so. Interesting. And I guess we'll see. So far, nothing. I'm not getting anything out of here. So anyway, we let it sit out here for about 15 minutes, and bam, that looks great. That's really a good one. I like that a lot. That came out nice. So I think it's a pretty good little product. If you like going backwards in technology to 1975, get one of these. And you too can put your phone on it and then take a picture like a Polaroid back to 1975.